Okay, tear down on the kiosk. I would probably start on the top up here. These metal cross members are just screwed into the sides of these beams, and the top of these beams are hollow, and there's L-shaped pieces of wood to secure the miters together. So back those screws out, and I don't remember if those support pieces, those L-shaped wood pieces, if we glued them down inside, but if they are, they're not coming out. So you'll have to take a multi-tool and cut that at the joint. And then there's glue on these miters and wire pin nails. That glue joint will break with a little bit of effort, but metal first, then these columns, and these are big and heavy. We put these up with 3 people. There's screws coming in from the side into this, and you'll have to completely take this apart because if you leave this piece and this piece connected, it's going to break. And there's Torx screws right here you have to back out. There's a screw coming through the top of this into the top of this piece here that you have to take out. And the Torx screws ahead like that. I don't remember what size. And I would then take this off, some screws coming in from the inside of this cabinet into the bottom. And there are screws behind. I think we just put screws from the side of this into the side of this tower. And there's fast caps or decorative cover caps covering up those screws. And once you have the top down, these will come out. And again, it's just kind of digging around and finding attachment points. But we would have run screws through the side of this into these columns, multiple points, probably 2 here, and as well as well, with this one right here, that countertop, there's a panel that goes all the way, panel on the back of this that connects into there. Back those screws out. I mean, you'll be able to figure out where these screws are coming from. And then to get inside there, the countertop's going to have to come off, and all these countertops are held on with screws coming from the underside of these cabinets. This is a separate cabinet, separate cabinet, separate cabinet, separate cabinet. And those are held on again with screws coming from the bottom of this cabinet. And these are separate cabinets here, but they go all the way through. They're not back to back like the upper ones are. The toe kick, there are clips on the back of the toe kick. And we ran some screws from the inside of this cabinet through the deck or the bottom of this cabinet into the top of the toe kick. So you have to back those out first and then remove the toe kicks. And these cabinets are all just held together with running screws through the sides into the other side of the cabinet. These shelves are probably screwed in with L-shaped shelf pins. And there's a screw running in there to hold those in. This is all one unit. These corner pieces are all one unit. And I mean, you'll have quite a few cabinets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cabinets on this side. 6 more on that side. That's one unit. This is one unit. The trickiest part is just getting this top down because of the size and just how awkward it is. I think that's about it. But just a multi-tool. If you have to cut through here, obviously some Phillips bits, and then that Torx screw to get out. There's quite a few of those Torx screws in there to remove that. Anyway, all right. Thanks, guys.